What's up, pretty girls? Welcome back. For all my girls that love extremely full big hair, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did my super full curly flip over quick weave, and I'm using 3 bundles of ISEE hair extensions. I'm installing one 24-inch and two 22-inch bundles in the texture messy kinky curly. When I first took this hair out the package, I was so excited to install it because the curl pattern is everything. I just love these spiral ends, and I'm already kind of familiar with their hair because I tried their Burmese curly half wig and I absolutely fell in love. So first things first, I'm going to put on 2 wig caps for this install to protect my hair from the glue. So I'm going to put the first one on and spray around the edge of the cap everywhere that I want it to stick so that the cap doesn't move. And blow dry it until it's dry and stuck. Now I'm about to put the second one on, and I'm going to spray the entire cap this time with Got to Be Glue spray. Then I'm going to spray it until it's dry and hard. Trying not to spray my leave out, but it's really hard not to get any product on my leave out. During this process, if you get any product on your leave out to where it's kind of hard, you could just take the end of like a wet towel or cloth and wipe it and it'll come off. And I forgot to show y'all my braid down. I just had 6 braids in the middle, and then I left hair out all along the perimeter. Once I'm done with molding my cap down, I'll show you guys how much hair I left out around the sides and the back. So right here I'm just cutting off all the extra cap. I would recommend not doing this step until you're done molding the cap down completely because it'll start to slip back. So as you can see, I'm actually showing you guys how much hair I left out along the perimeter, which it isn't a lot at all, just a little bit, enough to cover the tracks if I want to pull it back or flip my hair over. Now that that's dry, I'm going to use some extra hair protection spray. This is EBIN Wonder Weave Bond, and it's fast drying as well. I like this much better than the liquid bond because I don't have to saturate it. It does dry much faster. All I have to do is use my handheld blow dryer, and it does rinse out in the shower with warm water. And of course, I'm going to spray it all over my cap. So now it's time to glue on my tracks, and of course I'm using my 30-second Salon Pro hair glue. I want my first track to lay across the back of my cap going up toward my ears. I'm going to continue to lay my tracks the same way directly above the last until I get toward the top of my head. I laid them really close to each other because I wanted my hair to be super full. If you don't want your hair as full, you could just space them out a bit. And this is how it should look. You can just follow along. I'm going to continue to lay my tracks going in this position until I start to lay them in a slightly deeper U shape. So for this next track, I want you to take note of where I am when I start to lay my tracks in a slightly deeper U shape. And when I say slight, it's very, very slight. And I'm going to continue to lay them this way until I get toward the top of my head. And I'm still laying all of my tracks super close. So now I'm about to fill in this middle area by laying my extensions in smaller U shapes. I'm going to continue to lay my hair this way until I get a small section at the front of my head, and then I'm going to start laying them straight across. So as you can see, I'm already starting to lay them straight across, and I'm going to do this until I'm done. Alright y'all, so I'm finally finished installing my extensions, and this is a lot of hair. So now it's time for me to define and diffuse my curls. But first I'm going to add some layers in the front. So now I'm about to define my curls, and I'm going to be using Miss Jessie's Soft Curl Jelly. Once that was done, I used my skinny curling iron to blend the front of my hair with my extensions, and this is how it turned out. Very full, very fluffy, and very, very pretty. Again, this is ISEE Hair's messy, kinky, curly texture. All of the details to this hair will be listed in the description. And let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you would try hair this big. I think it's gorgeous. But this is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button, and I will see y'all later.